How to find LinkedIn profile link. You have to open the LinkedIn app in your phone, and we are going to find the LinkedIn profile link. Click on the me icon, that is profile. Click on view profile here, and you can see here there is an option of three dots. Just click on it, and there is an option of contact information. Click on contact information. Before clicking on this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on contact information. You can see your profile linked. Just you have to click on it and copy it, or you can see your link from here. Thank you so much. This whole procedure is for iPhone as well as for Android. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.